Hey guys, welcome to Belize. I did a video here a while back about the ferry crossing the new river, and the ferry used to cross here, and I called it the world's most dangerous ferry because the ferry was leaning, it was sinking, it looked really sketchy. Anyway, the ferry was pulled out of the river. The ferry was totally renovated and put in a new location because I think the bridge might be going in on this section here. I'm not 100% sure. So I came back and I'm going to take you over the ferry. I'll let you know how it is. I'm not going to be going over by car, only because as you can see, there are long lines getting onto the ferry now. So it don't make sense I go by car and I hold up traffic. I can see on the other side of the ferry there's also a long line. So no use I just get in people's ways. But I am going to show you the world's most dangerous ferry, and I think it has lost that title.
Most grateful ferry because we don't have anything else to cross. So
I know.
for it.
Now we're grateful for it, exactly.
The world's most grateful ferry.
Did
you know that as a tour guide, I know that there's not many hand crank ferries in the world.
Very few.
In Belize we have two of them, one to Shunantonich and one to go to Sardinia. So we're grateful.
Oh yeah, and now it's safe because they fix it.
Oh yeah, well,
yeah,
they're gonna put a bridge on the other side.
I know, yeah. I made a video, I called it the world's most dangerous ferry, and all the expats who live over there, they're mad at me.
Mad at you.
Because they say I'm trying to chase people away from buying land, but no, I'm just trying to make an interesting video. Yeah,
what they're mad at.
I know, yeah. It was an interesting video. It was scary because the car crashed on the ferry when we were there and all of that.
Oh really?
Yeah, a truck reversed into the car in front of us, tore off the bumper.
Oh boy.
Yeah, but I heard they fixed it, so I gotta go show it now. Yeah.
Welcome to Belize again.
Yeah, all right.
So you did.
Yeah,
you
thanks.
work for YouTube?
YouTube, yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah. I have a tour company, buddy.
All right.
Look
So you have
me
a
up.
tour company?
Yeah.
You guys come here,
That's yours.
look up this guy.
Yeah, man.
He'll take you on a tour.
Best
all right.
ever.
You based in Corozal?
No, I base all over. I base in the heart of the Belize. I'm 20 minutes from the airport. I have a hotel known as El Chiclero Inn. We've got a swimming pool. We've got great rooms, great ambience. There's a lot of howler monkeys that live at the village. I mean, it's literally 20 minutes from the airport, and it's in the hub of going to just about all the major tour attractions.
I heard about El Chiclero. Never been there, but I heard about
see
it.
it to Belize it.
Yeah.
Come visit. I'll give you a
When they get around there, we'll go around.
All right, you got my card. Call me. You'll get a free stay just because of your blogs.
All right, great. Thanks. Sounds good.
Cheers, brother.
Take care, man. Bye. Yeah, pretty good. I'm gonna have to go there one of these days. El Chiclero. Make sure you check it out when you come here to Belize. And here is the ferry heading over with a load of cars. I brought the guys a couple of bottles of Coke. You know, it's hot. The weather is like 85 degrees Fahrenheit and the humidity is over 80%, so it's hot. Here we are, guys. The ferry is coming back with a load of people, and it looks a lot more stable. As I told the guy back there, that the expats who live on this side of the river, everybody was so mad. They thought I'm trying to sabotage the land sales, but no, it was the truth. It was sketchy, it was scary, it was dangerous, but it looks good now. This looks a lot better. It looks stable now, everything. Cool. There you see it. There's the ferry. Hey, I brought you a cold Coke. I'll leave it up there.
Yeah, you give my friend over there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. So here, walking onto the no longer the world's most dangerous ferry, unless you drive over the edge, right? Yeah, it looks much better. I bring you guys some Cokes.
Oh, okay.
Cold Cokes to drink on a hot day, right?
Yes, sir.
So look at it, guys. The top has been renovated. It's not leaning anymore. Just make sure your foot don't slip off the clutch, because you know, hit the brakes before you go over the edge. But it's looking good. Great job. Nice. It's nice. It's nice.
Okay, how far do I go, dude?
A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay.
Thanks.
That's always a scary thing. Your foot slips off the clutch.
I know, I'm like,
Yeah, it's a little scary. Yeah, you don't want to go swimming here. So here we have it. The ferry has been loaded up, and off it goes. Off it goes. Here the guy's cranking.
Oh yeah.
You guys, they fixed it really good.
This is good.
Because it was leaning the last time, it was sinking one side. And you know what? I made a video, and I call it the world's most dangerous ferry because they had a car crash on the ferry.
Car crash?
Yeah, all the gringos who live on this side, all of them get that mad at me because they say I'm sabotaging the land sales. But no, it was dangerous. But now I'm not dangerous. It's safe now. Yeah, it's very safe now.
Good, good.
I know, I like it. Yeah, last time it was like, woo-hoo.
High water,
I had a lot of water. I know it was sinking every single day. Yeah, now it's a safe ferry. Everything, I had big holes in the top. Yeah, very big holes. Yeah, but all the expats who live over there in the jungle, all of them were mad at me. The guy said the world's most dangerous ferry. And they said, it's not dangerous, we cross every day. I said, you cross every day, but it is dangerous.
Yeah, it is.
But not now, now it's safe. Now it's very safe. Cool, let me show the ferry some more. So there were a lot of holes here in the ferry top, and they've all been fixed. And the pontoons here, they've all been patched up where they had holes. And it's not leaking anymore. Look at this, how beautiful. Very beautiful. The river water is really high today, I noticed, because on the road coming here, there was a lot of water on the side of the road. So this is it, guys. The world's most dangerous ferry is no longer dangerous. It is safe. Just don't go over the edge, but otherwise it is safe. It's not going to flip over. Not going to flip over sideways anymore. So big thanks to these guys here. These guys doing a job. Get me over there for free. 24 hours a day, right?
8 hours.
No, but the ferry run 24 hours?
No, it hasn't working yet.
Oh, it's not running 24 hours?
Close.
Oh, closed 10 o'clock at night.
Close, right.
All right, so you get over there before 10, because that's when they shut down for right now. From Belize. Check it out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We are now approaching the other side. There you can see it. There's a long line of cars waiting. Before, the ferry used to cross over there. It's a little shorter route. This side it's a little bit longer, so the cars line up a little more. But hey, no big thing. It's beautiful out here. This is paradise.
Coming back? Okay, we'll not be here if you come back after. Take care.
God bless you.
You too, sir.
You're good to go.
Okay,
Nice meeting you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Here everybody goes. Off the ferry we go. Ready for another load. Back to the other side. We left that car over there because it does make sense. I drive over on the ferry on a car and pull up. Okay, bye. Pull up traffic and cause unnecessary work for people. I just ride it manually. All right, bye.
Take care.
Okay, bye. So the ferry is empty, ready for another load. Let me walk onto that side so you guys can see. Oh yeah, this thing is safe now, man. It's not leaning at all. Enjoying that Coke now. I got the guys a Coke whenever I come over the ferry because it's hot. It's really hot. There's a little breeze coming, but right here we're behind these bushes, so there's no breeze. When you get a little more out there, there's a nice breeze blowing. Let me go stand on the side here, get out of the way as they load up. Here comes another load of cars, trucks, mostly pickup trucks. Heading over the river. Hi. Loaded up and ready to go. Oh yeah, there's no more lean to this thing or anything. It's great. See there, that's where the ferry used to go when it was the most dangerous ferry. It used to land there. Now, not dangerous anymore. Let's ask some of the people here getting over this newly renovated ferry what they think. Hi, what's your name?
Esteban Vasquez.
All right, you remember this ferry before they renovated? What you thought? You think it was dangerous or it was safe?
Oh yes, very dangerous because right there, first of all, the thing was too old, man. And by the years, they were fixing piece by piece, and up till right now, it's more or less better than it was.
I know, it looks good now. It's not leaning anymore like it was.
Yeah, because when they bring it at first, it was one old Gabara.
Oh
right?
yeah.
So
old barge.
Old barge. So they begin to fix it piece by piece, piece by piece, piece by piece. Then they left it like that right now. But the couple of years it will be more better though, because we got one ferry,
a bridge.
Yeah, one bridge that will be more good for us then, because we'll avoid the latest youth stay right here.
Exactly.
When you come, you have to stay like 1 hour, 2 hours right here. So that affects us too much.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I like it now. Last time when I crossed, it was scary because it was really leaning. And it had big holes when you walk here.
And that's why
you could fall in a hole and break your leg. And
by the years they're fixing it though. It is staying good right now.
They did a good job.
Yeah, they take long to fix it too, because sometimes they may have to stop the traffic to work it up,
to pump it and fix things. Yeah,
fix it up. Yes,
I remember that.
Yes.
Well, nice meeting you, man. Thanks.
Okay. Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.
There you had it, guys, from one of the passengers. He said it used to be dangerous. Not anymore. The ferry passenger. Hey, what's your name?
My name is Omar Salazar.
And your wife?
Zaira Salazar.
So you guys cross the ferry a lot?
Once in a while.
Once in a while, yeah. But it's better now than it used to be, right?
Seems that they're ready to fix it.
Yeah, they fixed it good. Last time I crossed the ferry, it was leaning, it was scary, it was dangerous, but looks safe now.
Yeah, that looks like that.
Yeah. Nice meeting you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Hola.
What's your guys' name? What's your name?
Eliazar.
Eliazar. And you? Yes?
Maria.
Maria. And in the back, at the big time? Bob? Yeah. So where you guys live? Corozal. Oh, you live in Corozal? Oh yeah. Alright. Yeah, I come do a little video about the ferry. As some of the people crossed all the time, because I made a video that ferry was really dangerous, and it was before.
Yeah.
Had a lot of holes and leaning, but they did a good job. They repaired it. Yeah. Alright, well, nice meeting you guys. So there you had it, guys. From the people themselves. They said it used to be dangerous, but now it is not. As you can see, it's not leaning anymore. Very good. There they go. Everybody's leaving. I'm the last one on the ferry. I'm walking off. Bye. Here one guy is coming. Yeah, you're welcome. Next time I come, I'll bring it again. It says thank you for the Coke. Here comes one walker, a Mennonite guy, and let me get off so cars can come on. Hola. And that is it from no longer the world's most dangerous ferry here in Corozal District, just a few minutes out of town. This is DougP Vlogs. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye bye. Look at that line of cars. They say there's more line now because the ferry ride is longer. But what can you do? That's why a lot of people want the bridge. But the ferry is awesome. You come to Corozal, make sure you ride this ferry because it's great.